There's now a really cool way that you can turn your research papers into Twitter threads so you can promote your work on social media really easily. The first thing you need to do is go to the Chrome web store and install the Chirr app Chrome extension. Once you've done that, head over to scholarcy.com and click Try Scholarcy Now. Upload your paper and it will turn your paper into our famous flashcard format. But we've added a new tab to this now called Synopsis, and what this does is try to create a plain language summary automatically for you from your paper using machine learning. What we do now is just select the text of the summary, right click, do convert to Twitter thread, and this will take you to the Chirr app site where it's broken the paper down into individual tweets, which you can, if you wish, edit in their text editor before posting on Twitter. And it even pulls out the main image from the article as well for you. You can also do other things like share the Twitter thread more slowly, one piece at a time. You can also schedule your tweets, many other things. Do check out Chirr App now. We're really pleased to be able to integrate this with Scholarcy to help making sharing your paper on social media and promoting your work much easier. Thanks very much. Speak to you soon.